So, hello everyone, I'm back. Yeah, I don't understand why sometimes it randomly loses my desktop. But anyway, yeah, I'm back. I'm going to be finishing up this GM48 game. So I got the little circle wheel spinning and it can detect which of the pie slice that lands on it. I got my power meter right there. I think it looks pretty good. Especially how it goes so fast you can't, it's like one blur of colors. So yeah, I want to have like a little board with little different spaces you can move around on. Orangey. So I think I need like a board square. Board square. Okay. Let's go into GIMP. Guess I'll make these, what, 32 by 32 or 64 by 64? I don't know. I don't have a lot of space because the wheel's so big. File, new. Let's try 64 by 64. So I'm going to make these gray, then just shade it differently based on the color. 64 by 64. So let's make this kind of a light shady gray. Maybe I should do a gradient, a circular radial gradient, like that, or something. But I want it to go from gray to gray. So really I need endpoint. Can I select the start point? 32 by 32. Oh wow, you can get down to fractions of a pixel on here. That's interesting. Okay, it looks good. I don't know. Let's just do a solid first, see how it turns out. Select all. Select shrink. Shrink it by 4. Select invert. Edit. Fill. Okay, that's good. Okay. File, save as. I'm not having all the slowdown and drop frames this time either. I'm happy about that. Board square. Export as board square PNG. So now I'm gonna have to think. Go ahead and import. Yes. That's spur square. Okay. Also need a marker. I think I'm just going to do like a smiley face or something. Well, new 32 by 32. White. Do I want it yellow? No, this is gonna. Yeah, let's just make it like light gray or something. Select to shrink. Okay. There we go. But I don't need the white in the background. Dang it. I messed up. Tools. I wish I didn't have the aliasing garbage in here. Crap. I just want to add transparency. Okay, crap. Select. Shrink by 2. Edit. Fill. Okay, that's good enough. Save as. I'm just going to call this player token. Player token PNG. Okay. Objects, create. Player token. Sprites. Player token. Import. Probably should just made it 64 by 64, and that way it lines up evenly. Don't have to do any math. Image, canvas size, 64 by 64. Center. There we go. Resize. File, save, file. Export to player. Yeah, this way I don't have to do any math when I'm placing it. Import. Player token. Board square. Okay. So now, do I want to just put this in? I don't know. Do I want a new layer? Create a new instance layer. Instance. Board squares. Just put it in there. How many of these can I have? I have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or so. I guess I can do 5 by 5. So in our level manager, create, was it instance create? Okay. Board offset X, board offset Y. X gets, just make it, oh, what is that? 640. 640 by 640. Instance create. Okay, what's the... Give me the hint. Give me the hint. Why is this set? XY layer objects. Board offset X. Board offset Y. Board squares. Board square. Oh, there goes the video output. Maybe it's because I'm compiling. That's probably what it is. What? Create O layer. Okay, it's way down here. So I need over and up. $64 times 12. Let's do 768. $64 times 5. 64. Let's do 448. So I think each board square is going to have spins, points, or special properties. Color. Oh. I don't know about the first square. Is it just going to be neutral color? I could put the player out here on start. I don't know. So, how do I do a loop? I forgot how to do a loop. Is it just 4? I forgot how to do game maker loop. For I gets 0. I is less than 25. I add and assign 1. Okay. Board. I don't know if I can do board square array I gets this, or if that'll return that instance. X offset it's 0, Y. Actually, board offset X plus I times 64 square size gets 64. Square size. Okay, that looks right. Oh, I don't like how the sides are like doubled. That's okay. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8. I could do 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. Could do 6, 7. I don't like 7. I don't know. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Could do 8 per row. That'd be 64 squares. But if I'm only getting like 3 turns, I don't know. Could do 64. Minus board. No. It's mod percent. Mod 8. Board calls. It's 8. Board raise gets 8. Times square size. I divided by no remainders 8. Hey, look at that. That's too many squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'm just going to do 6 by 6. Could do 5 by 5. That's what I originally had it as. Still way too many. 1, 2. Let me board raise board calls. Oh no. Board raise times board call. Total squares gets board raise times board calls. Total squares. Crap. Board raise. Board. B-O-A-R-D. Whoa. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. That's weird. Oh, because it's top 8. Board calls. Board calls. There we go. Yeah, actually, once I have the colors in here, then I'll make the borders seem more distinct. Oh, but that's... I need to move the spin meter down here. Then I can move that down. Power meter. Can I just move that in the room? Yeah, okay. That's... Why can't I select it? Why can't I pick anything? I'm on the wrong layer. Yeah, so let's just move this here. I wish I could move it halfway. Is there any way to get it more precise than that? Okay, here we go. 608 plus 32. 640. No. Minus 16. 624. There we go. I could make it like twice as big, but no. So I need to move these down a little bit. $448 plus 64. 512. That's a nice even number. My only problem is getting the words on here, like plus 2 spins. Put the different values on here. So really I need to draw these squares myself. Board square array I board square. So I need to create color value get 0. Add event. Draw. I want to go to the power meter, grab its draw. Board square. Spur. Board square. So now they should all be red. Color gets, let's just use our color value. Could just have color value gets on. Okay, yeah, they're all red. Hello, Redskins, SB3, working on my GM48 game. Working on getting the board working now, so I have a little token to move around the board here. But yeah, now I need them different colors. Actually, I need an array of colors. I guess I'll put that in board square. Color, I don't know what I'm gonna call this. Color display? Color shade? I don't know. Color hue. Hue. 0 gets see red. 1 is orange. 2 is yellow. 3 is green. 4 is blue. And 5 is purple. I'm gonna change these later. Get the more exact values, but that's the start right there. Then I want to draw. I want to make this color, what do I call it? Color hue, then color value. I want to call that color value, yeah. So now when I instantiate these guys, I want this to be random. Random. Is there an I random? Yeah, we get I random. It's 6. That should give me a 0, 1 to 5. Give me a value from 0 to 5. Yeah. Oh no! Zero variable index out of range 1 to 6. Color hue. Color hue. Color value. I don't understand why that doesn't work. Colored hue. Because it shouldn't draw before create. Colored hue. Color value 0. So if anything, they should all be red. I don't get that. Let's make this 0 for now. Why is it complaining? I think it's going to complain again. I really didn't change anything. Unless that random could have gave me a 6 and it said 6 doesn't exist. Yeah, I think that's what it was. Color hue, so I can change this back. Color value. Then in my level manager, make this a 5. I want 0 to 5. I guess it's 6 inclusive. Save. Probably try to do some other magic. Yeah, okay, so that looks okay. But you're getting a random one every time. So really I need to use up all the colors and redo them. Because sometimes I may not even get a certain color. And it also gets really streaky. Look at all these oranges in a row. Okay, so this is tricky. I wonder if there's a like a push statement. So I can push onto an array. Push into an array. I just want to push values into an array. Can I do that? You just like double arrows or double greater thans or double equal less than. I guess I could always see the length of the array, then add and all that jazz. It's like I need a stack or a list. Game maker list. Game maker stat. Wow. Is it really this hard to create a stack? Can I just do like random values, push on a 0? Can I do that? I just need a stack or last in, first out. data structures. I guess I need a queue. Oh, list. There's a list right there. List. Okay. Add. DS list add random numbers. Okay. For I gets 0, blah blah blah. I is less than 6. Random numbers. I. But I need to add it at a certain location. So I need an insert. Insert. Insert at, so the position is going to be what's the size? DS size. Size of random numbers. So I need to put create up here, DS list create random numbers. Just call it random numbers list. I should call it random values list, I guess. I don't know. Why is it unhappy here? 4. What does it not like here? DS list create. Random numbers list gets DS list create. Okay. So now color value needs to get, wait, well, this will give me an equal number of values, but it won't make it so that there's a unique set of values every time. But let me go ahead and get this. DS list read list index. Can I just do random numbers list I? Clear empty size, add, set, delete, find. Don't need find value. I just need the value at. Okay. DS list find value. Oh, I'm not going all the way up to 36. Random numbers list I. Could do like idiv or imod. Is it idiv or yeah, imod 6? This should give me the same repeating pattern. Oh, look at that. All red, all orange, all yellow, all green. That's very interesting. Oh no, did it just crash now? So this didn't actually randomize them. I don't know why it didn't. Maybe we should do mod. I know one thing I want to do. Board square. I want to give each board square like an ID. Square array I. ID? That's like a special thing there. Position gets I. Create. Position gets 0. Draw. Draw text X, Y. And this will be the position. String position. Set color. Draw set color. White. Okay. Okay. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I didn't expect that. So these aren't being drawn the right way. Level manager. I think I just change mod and div. Yeah. Mod board calls. Div board calls. Okay, that's what I expected. but we need to randomize each 6. Or do this 6 times. Insert random. I random. Put it at I random. It's I. Red, orange, purple. Yeah, that looks right. Yellow. Red, orange, purple. Do I need to do a randomized seed dealio here? Randomize. Okay. Level manager. Create. Demise. Okay, there we go. Okay. For J gets 0, J is less than 6. J add and assign 1. I think I want to insert it at J times 6 plus random. No. Oh, yeah, I never did fix this. So now, let's just comment this one out. And make it just I. No! So everything over 6 is all red. That's interesting. It's always red. Oh, there's a purple right there. That's interesting. Oh, crud. I know what the problem is. Insert random. Oh, crud. DS list size. Minus J times 6. Minus 0. Okay. Sort of the math is getting really wonky. I should just create a new list every time and then add that list to the end of the other. But this works. So now each row has all 6 unique colors. That's pretty cool. So now I need to calculate where the player token is. Player position gets -1. So I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use the same. I want to do a draw or just move it. I'm just going to do step. I can use this same code. I need to add the token to the room. Okay. Okay. If it could be down a little bit. I think I'm just going to player token. I think it needs a target X and a target Y. So then in my step, if x is not equal target x, if x is less than target x, add a sign 1, else if x is greater than target x. This isn't the perfect moving algorithm, but simple enough for what I need to do. Subtract and assign 1. And it will make it move. Is that really 640 by 640? Actually, I should use these values in here. Board offset X, board offset Y. Put this in create. Oh, this is create. Level manager. Board offset X. Board offset Y. Might need to back it out one position. Oh no, it's behind. Crap. So I need to fix the depth. Instances. So let's move board squares down. There we go. But I really want this to be -1. -64. Okay. Spin. Okay. So after it stops, I could do like a custom user function or whatever. I guess I'm just going to write the code here. So I got to figure out OBJ level manager. Got to figure out what is the next color that matches. I think I will do a custom. Other user. Find the next word square matching color. Okay. So OBJ level manager user. I forget how you call user events. Game maker call user event. Event user. So I think I can do with object level manager event user 0. Object will. Can I pass parameters to this? So I got the values right here. I think I'm just going to call it I landed on. Gets spin value div 60. Okay. Player move to gets. So I need my list. So I need the player's current. I player current gets OBJ player token player position. OBJ player token. OBJ player token dot player position. For I gets 0, I is less than DS list size. I add sign 1. I player next gets, let's say -1. If I player next is less than 0. If ds, what's the find method there? Find ds list find value. I don't like that name. Ds list find value. Random numbers list I equals obj wheel dot I, what is it? I landed on. Did on. Then I player next gets I. obj player token dot I, or player position gets I player next. Obj player token dot target x gets. Do I have an array of board squares? I think I do. Board square array, yeah, okay. Gets board square array I, or no, I player next x target y gets y. But I think this is only going to do like the first 6. It's going to start from the beginning every time. So then I'm going to have to do the loop around, which I don't know. Maybe there'll be so many spaces that it won't ever get back all the way around. See if this works. Boop. Hey, there it goes. Boop. I can't believe it worked. So now it's going to go back to green, I'm pretty sure. Yep. So next thing I need to do is do a search from the current to the end. Find value. From I gets I player current to the end. Actually, it should probably be I player current plus 1. Maybe. What if I roll the same color? Is it just going to stay on the same square? here's going to check -1, which isn't good. Yeah, so I think it should be +1. We want to check the next cell. Murasaki. Spin. Spin, spin, spin! Akka. Orangey. Now is it going to go up? Yep. Yeah, it's not the greatest, but hey, it gets there. So now I need to put in the rewards. Great. Orangey. Okay. So now I need to do a loop back all the way around. So if I player next still equals -1, then we're going to do another loop from 0 0 I is less than I player current. Just gonna do equals -1. Okay, so it's gonna loop all the way back around. So I need to give myself a lot more spins now. Let's give myself like 10 spins. See if it loops back around. Orange. Ow. Murasaki. Orange. Midori. Ow. 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 Didn't I just need another ow? Oh, it's not going to go all the way around the... Yeah, so now I just need something that isn't red or Aka or Murasaki. No! That's the one thing I didn't need. To test circling back around. Crap. Give myself 20 spins. So if I just click on it, well, I'll get the same color every time. Ooh, this close. I shouldn't make these numbers the same colors as the background. I was about to say, that's not key. It's Midori. Aka. Aka. Oh. So it should go to 0. Yay! It worked right. So now I need to add points. I prize gets I random 3? Is that 3 inclusive? Can't remember. Two, 0, 1, and 2. If I prize equals. Actually, I should do a should really do like a percentage. Like have, or maybe just at least have like how many different prizes? 16. Let's just do 8 for now. 0. So board square. Create. I prize score. I prize spin. I prize bankrupt. 0. That'll just be a 0 or 1. Just trying to keep these. I could have it like is bankrupt prize, or I don't know. Just keeping these uniform. Not the best name in the world. Then board square array I prize score gets 100. Else if I prize. I should do this the same way with a list, but 1, 200, 500, maybe have a few more like hundreds or something. 100, 100. 3, 4. 5. 200. Actually, it should be 250 probably. Seven will be spin. I prize spins. Is that what I called it? I prize spin. Gets 1. Then have another 1. Then I have a 2. Then have 10 be I prize bankrupt gets 1. Okay. So on board square, draw should do color hue, color value here. Color white. X plus 2, Y plus, say, 8. If I prize score is greater than 0. I prize score. Let's just do this, see how this turns out. Yeah, so I need to make a list of prizes, then pull from that prize list. Random. Great. That was I with a little R. Okay. That works. I wish that these numbers were a little bit smaller. These need to be down a little bit more. Right. Fonts. Duplicate. Font. Board. Square. There we go. Font board square. Draw set font. Font board square. This will be your font regular. Else if I prize spin is greater than 0. Do plus spin plus, can I do \n? Spins. Prize bankrupt is greater than 0. And just write bankrupt. Whoa, those are really big. Maybe I should have did copyright. I wish I could just programmatically set the font size. Make things a lot easier. Yeah, the spin text is still way off. I like the size of this, but the bankrupt is too big and the spacing is all off. I wish the spacing wasn't so big. I wonder if I can fix that in the... font, board square. Copy. Why is the spacing so big? Bold. I only have bold. That's unfortunate. So I guess I gotta do it myself. So instead of doing this, get rid of this. Draw text. Spin. What, 32? It's looking a little bit better. Yeah, bankrupt needs to be across 2 lines. I could call it like whammy. Bankrupt whammy. It's all kind of the same thing. Where's oh, I didn't move it down. Yeah, I really need to do font board square. Crap. Maybe change this right here. Board square. Font copyright. Should put like trip to Bermuda. Bankrupt. Plus 2 spins. If I prize spin equals 1, then do spin else spins. 8, 8. I wish I could get the width of the font. Then I could really center it up if I knew the width. But this looks pretty good. I kind of feel like I need 1,000 on here somewhere. So yeah, now I just need to add the score to the player score. But the question is do I want to add the score after the player lands? Because that's really what I should do. So after it moves. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm just going to add it after you get there. After it finishes spinning. That's going to be too much logic. Let's add 1,000 in here. Then I'm going to have to fix all these other ones. Let's add like one more 250, one more 500, and one 1,000. So this is going to be 11, 12, 13. This is a purely random number right here. If board square array I player next dot I prize score is greater than 0. Now, where's the score? Score in player? I don't think it's in player, is it? No. OBJ level manager. Yeah, player score and spins. Player score. Add and assign this. Add the prize. So really, I couldn't make it so that whenever it detects when the token is landed, finish moving to the position, then that's when you want to add the prize. But I'm just going to do it right here. It's a 48-hour game jam. Else if I prize spin is greater than 0, then spins. Spins, add and assign that number spins. Prize spin. Else if board square array I prize bankrupt is greater than 0, then player score gets 0. Because I'd like to at least have 1 or 2 bankrupt dealios. Guaranteed on here. So that should be one spin, yeah. Okay. I have any thousand? Yeah, I have 1,000 there. Yay, 1,000 points. Okay, 500. I don't have any +2 spins on here. Bankrupt. No! We're at 100 points. Bankrupt. It's pretty cool. I think I kind of want to do the same thing that I did with the... So you loop back around. Bankrupt. $250. I think this is pretty cool. One spin, 11. Bankrupt. No. Blue, 100 points. I need to reduce the number of spins now. I'll give you 10 spins. Oh yeah, let me fix these prizes. So, prize list. I want to create random prize list. Random prize list. Okay. If, what's the size of the list? DS list size. Random prize list. Equals 0. Then DS list insert random prize list. DS list insert random prize list. From 0 to I random 13. No. Zero. The prize list size. Random. DS list prize. So 0 to the current list size. We want to insert 0. So that's, this is going to be 100 points. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. Two, three, 4. So how many 250s? 1, 2, 3. 3 250s. Two 500s. And one 1000. Be nice if like could get them half. What's half of 36? 18? 30, 15. Yeah, I think it's 18. 1,000 points. Oops. 3. So prize spin 1, 2. 4 plus 1 spin. And yeah, 18. Yeah, okay. Let's do like 3 of these. 5. Like one of those. Let's do 2 bankrupts. Or 1 bankrupt. Yeah, let's do 1 bankrupt. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I just need 3 more to get a perfect 18. So let's add an extra spin. Add an extra 100. And an extra 250. Okay, iPrize gets ds list find value at 0. Random prize list at position 0. ds list delete. What if there's like a remove? Okay, there's a shuffle. I should have just used shuffle instead of all this random crap. Yeah, I could have just called shuffle. Oh well. This should work too. ds list delete. At 0. Random prize list. Prize is 0, add 100 points. Else, if prize is 1, then add 250. If prize is 2, add 500. If prize is 3, add 1,000. Prize is 4, add spin, iPrize spin 1. If it's 5, iPrize spin gets 2. And if it's 6, then iPrize bankrupt gets 1. Then the rest of these don't matter. Okay, see if this works. Okay, 100 to 100,000, 1 spin, 2 spin, 1 spin, bankrupt. See if I got 2 bankrupts. Yeah, I got 2 bankrupts. Should have 2 1,000s and a bunch of 100s and a bunch of 1 spin. Yeah, that looks right. Very cool. I want to put like the kanji on here in katakana. Should be easy enough to do. 100. Midori. Midori. Orange. Aka. Ao, 100. $250. Oh, 250. I think I'm gonna go take a walk here at the park. 100. So yeah, it's actually kind of hard to hit bankrupt now. I mean, 1 out of 18 chance of hitting bankrupt. $1,000, all right, 3,400. My last spin. I didn't get any extra spins at all. I need a yellow to get an extra spin. That was pretty close. Get 100, 3,500. Oh, there's that one. Do 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 do. That's pretty cool. Feels like an actual game on a game show. Be nice if I at least got one extra spin. Purple, blue, no. Yeah, it seems like it's kind of harder to hit the plus spins now. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 250. Oh, I got a 0 right there. That's okay. I should add 1 to that. Oh, got an extra spin. Yay! Yeah, let me add 1 to the board square number. Start position +1. Oh! Okay, so now it starts with 1 and ends on 36. Wow, what if I hit bankrupt on my first spin? It'd be interesting. 1 spin. I should get like a bonus for making it all the way through. Kind of like you passed go, you get a 1,000 points or something. $250. I should make this the color what you landed on. I think it's pretty fun. 250. 600 points. $500 points. Two spins. Yay. Purple, purple, 100. One spin. $100 points. Oh no, no purple! One spin. I think, yep. Blue, 500. Yellow, 100. $500, yay! Watch me land on red and lose it all. Oh no, red! No, red! Yellow. One spin, okay. I still gotta avoid the red. Oh man. Gotta avoid the red, avoid the red, avoid the red! Purple, blue, 1,000, yay, 1,000 points. So now I need like a game over thing. I guess I just need to make a new room. But I need to pass the score over to the new room. How do I pass the value from one room to another? Global variables. I guess we'll just make it global. Okay. Game over. 1920. No. 1280 by 720. Background. Okay. I wish I could just drag some text in here. Player token. If x equals target x and y equals target y and obj level manager dot spins equals 0, then global dot final score gets obj level manager dot player score room next room. Room go to next. So I need to save. Room game over. Create obj game over GUI. Draw obj GUI. Let me grab this. Final score. $640. 200. Draw, set, color. Just make it black. String global final score. Do my usual. $300. Thanks for playing. Go Jackets. $500, $600. Save. Can I run it from here? Oh, I didn't drag Game Over GUI in there. Room Game Over. Game Over GUI. So now I gotta play the whole thing over. I could reduce my spins though. Give me 3 spins. Purple, blue. 1 spin. I keep getting more spins. Kind of interested to get a bankrupt to see what it does. Uh-oh, 300. Oh, man. Oh, I see what happened. So it hasn't stopped spinning yet. Crap. And wheel energy equals 0. And obj wheel dot energy equals 0. And so the wheel's not spinning. Make sure there isn't some little one frame where the wheel energy is 0 and the player's not moving. One spin. It's like I can go ahead and start spinning again. Green 250. Okay, here's the test. There we go. So wheel energy is more than one. So the wheel energy stops. Player starts moving to target location. So now go. Okay, 450. Great. I wish there was a better way to center text. Game maker center text. Okay, FA center. Draw set. Okay, here we go. Draw set H line FA center. Okay. So it's 1280 divided by 2. 640. Okay. Okay, that's what I wanted. So I should have done that for the cells as well. But oh well. Actually, I could do that. Board square. Well, let's go back to game over GUI. Well, let's just do one thing at a time. $100. $500. $500. Yay. I need a different background. It's like way too plain. 1280 by 720. Okay. I still want it kind of gray, darkish gray. It could be light gray. Core. Where's the clouds? Sinus. That's cool. That's kind of like what it was before. Okay. File, save as, background. Export as. Do this as a JPEG, I guess. Background.jpg. I don't need it to be super huge or perfect or anything. The blurring may actually help. Okay. Background. Sprites. Import background. Yes. Spur background. Grab spur background. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Ingram game over. Background. Spur background. That looks pretty good. Need some more drink. So yeah, really I need to draw it plus 32 for the board square, then center it. Use this H-line. Board square. Price score, so we want to H-line center. Then we want to X plus 32. H-line center. H-line center. Make this 32 and 32, 32 and 32. Oh no! Well, it did spin and bankrupt. But it needs to do these to the left. Center. 32. But for this, for the number, board square just need to be left. Be cool if I could do it font outline. Okay, that looks pretty good. The 1,000 still seems to be a little bit off. They could be up a little bit, especially the multi-line ones. Could be up. That looks pretty good. Actually, these could be over a little bit more. I'll draw a sprite. Let's do 4. Okay. The +1 spin could be up a little bit more. $12. 10 minus 10. 34. 34. Okay, +1 spin. Okay, that got that off like the bottom there. Oh, no, these are center aligned. I don't know if I need these center aligned. I could put this. I kind of like those left aligned. Oops. Did I just close Game Maker? I hope I didn't. I'm pretty sure I saved everything. Ira no hori. Hoire. Points. Spins. That's good. Export, bankrupt. Sounds. Sound points. Sound spins. sound, bankrupt. So OBJ. Wheel. So when it stops spinning, I guess I should do this in this one. Play. Audio. Play sound. Sound. Points. One. Game maker audio. Play sound. False. Spins. Bankrupt. I still haven't hit bankrupt since I changed the method for calculating prices. What's going to be tricky is doing the tick sound if I want to do that. Yellow or orange? Orange! Another spin. I'll get more spins. Bankrupt. I'm glad that didn't go to the game over screen there. Two more spins. Look at that. Bankrupt! No! Yeah, the 1,000 looks a little bit off, but oh well. Maybe that's because I added. Maybe that's because I added to the board square position. Price my score? No, 32. I don't know. So I want a tick sound. That's good. Just call this tick, not wave. Tick. Okay, so here's the tricky part. So when you're rotating, so I gotta calculate this in the landed on in real time now, which I don't think is going to be a huge problem. But it's got to calculate the spin value. So I could just pull these out. Pull the spin value out. I landed on gets spin value diff 60. But is that gonna change something else? It seems like I use landed on to figure out something else. Maybe it's okay because energy's still not 0. Last landed on gets -1. If I landed on is not equal I last landed on. Now I need my audio play. Audio play sound. So I'm going to make this sound tick. Then I last landed on gets I landed on. See if this works. It'd be cool if I could have the sound go up as you power up, but I don't think I'm going to get that done. That's pretty cool. See if I do it all. That's pretty cool. Oh, 1750. Now I need a title screen. Can I just duplicate this one? Okay. OBJ title GUI. Draw. Hoeter. Is it Hoeter? Yeah, Hoeter. Mouse left pressed. Room. Go to next. Room came over. Oh crap. Title. Came over GUI. I don't want that. Title GUI. Game over GUI. Room. Restart. Where's the room go to first? Go to 0. Can I just do room title? Can I do that? Draw color. What is it called? Set color. Left pressed. Room go to next. Yeah, it looks like the stream lags whenever I start to compile. Left press. I guess I gotta do like a step event and check that. Crud. Game maker left mouse pressed. If mouse check button pressed pressed, MB left, or space pressed. Keyboard check pressed. Keyboard check pressed. It's like VK space. Right. Go to next. I should have added it here too. Title case, step. Room game over. Game over GUI. Add. Step. Yay, 1,000 points. Spin, yay! One spin. One spin. $250. So I'm gonna hold. Green, yellow. See if it bypasses it. Nope, I actually have to press and hold. Okay. I think I want to do those kanjis in here. blue, purple or blue. Let's go back to camp. What do I want to do? 640 by 400. Layer transparency. Okay. OE. Not AOE. Eero. No. Do my katakana here. Oh. E3. Okay. 140 maybe. Crap. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Grow by 2. I'm just gonna make this one pretty darn simple. Title. Let's call it logo. Title logo. Title logo. Import. Oh, do I have to put this on an object? That's so dumb. OBJ title logo. I guess I could make it move and dance and everything if I really wanted to. I don't think I'm going to do that for this one, though. Yeah, go ahead and center it up, just in case. Oh no! Crap. Okay. Wish I could center this up. kind of hard to tell where the exact center is. No. That's pretty cool. So, yeah, really, I'm gonna fix up the wheel. Open. Crap. Raw sprites. Wheel. Okay. No. Let's make this, say, 200 by 200, maybe. View 100. View 100. Crap. Okay, let me go here. $160. 80 by 160. We should just add transparency by default. I'm getting kind of sick of changing this every time. It used to be that way. Now I've got to add alpha channel every time. It's like, what's up with that? So I'm going to add a new layer. Okay. So this is going to be Akka. Akai? Just Akka. Crud. Variable. Okay, that's good. Let's do 80. Transform, rotate. Layer, transform, rotate by 30. Okay, rotate. Slap this sucker here. I'm just going to eyeball this. Turn down the opacity. And 50 is good. Okay. Let's save orangey. Key. Key. Oh, crap. Crap. Go back. Computer. Okay. Image. Transform, rotate. Crap. Layer. Transform, rotate. So 60. Was it 60? I think that was 30. 30. Maybe it was 60. 30. 120. Cruddy. Crap. 120. Rotate. Copy. Paste it in here. Oh no, that's not right. That's not right at all. Needs to be a little bit more than that. 60, 120, is that right? Oh, but it's a little bit off to start out with, right? 120 plus 30 shouldn't be 150 or 160. I'm confused. I can just eyeball it. That's good enough, really. Oh, maybe it's because it's not centered on this. Layer. Rotate. Yeah, it's a little bit off, so I need to pull that up there. Like right in the middle of that. $120 is definitely not enough. I think I'm just going to eyeball this. It's good enough. Crap. Delete that. Good enough. I could actually rotate a little bit more right here, actually. Let's go ahead and do orange. Orange, go do the orange. I'll just type it in right here. Red. Yeah, this one's going to be a little bit different. Ah, crud. Let me rotate. Actually, I should just copy this. Because this is 90. This will be rotated 90 here. That's pretty easy. Rotate. Crap. Crap. Rotate. Now move. Midori. Crap. I always forget to not delete the characters. Midori. Now I forgot what size those other ones were. Crap. Wasn't it like 90 or something? Crap. Wish I remember what the sizes of those other ones were. Can I go back and get it? There it is. No, no, no. Over. 80. Okay. Okay. Go over here. And drag this down. I want to rotate. So it's like 90 minus 60 or something like that. Crap. That looks good. Probably 150. Probably what it is. Close enough. Ah, crap. Gotta go after. Click. Uh-oh. Now delete this one. Select all, copy. So this is going to be like a negative 180. Which, wouldn't that be 182? Or negative 90? Crap. I always keep forgetting to switch the keyboard. It's a bad thing about having a lot of different keyboard layouts installed. A bunch of different languages installed. You gotta keep clicking to go through everything. I think I have like 4 or 5 different languages installed. Maybe pull that down a little bit. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm almost done. Switch back. Murasaki. Enter. Okay. I'm getting better as I go through this. paste, rotate, and drag this up here, make this -30. Crap. Dang it. Go away. There we go. Rotate. Move. Yeah, say this is good enough. Yay! Save file. Export as wheel.png. Export replace. Export. Go back here. Go to our sprites. Sprite wheel. Import. The new wheel. Yes. Yay! Seems like this one's a little bit off. I need to redo this one. The other one's pretty good though. Doop. Bankrupt! No! Can I just rotate this one a little bit? Like that. Okay. Because that really bothers me. It's like you don't notice it when you're working in GIMP, but when you actually import it into GameMaker, you can really tell it's off. Maybe I should put this as the background or something. I don't know. Background on the title screen. Yeah, that's a lot better. That still looks a little bit wonky, but it's better, I think. Or did I import that? Did I not import the new image? Import. I can't remember. No, that looks the same. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's just my eyes. It's playing tricks on my eyes. So yeah, now I just need to do some music and I'll call this one done. Not bad for like 5 hours of work. I think this is pretty fun. You learn Japanese colors too. Aka. $4.50. $500 points. Oh no, Midori! This is pretty fun. I'm gonna give myself 10 spins again. Points. $500 points. Another spin. Oh, no point. $100 points. Two spins. Watch me go bankrupt. Watch me roll yellow. No, yellow! Oh, orange. 2,500 points. Yay. Okay, I'm going to go do music on my laptop and call this one done. So, thanks everyone for watching. This will be up in a few hours.